pamilya. Hindi lang laban, hindi lang laro, kundi samahan na todo.
Emmy!
Tuwing Sabado, sa court nagtatampo, iba't ibang kwento, isang
Reggie!
sa bawat rally na walang suko. Mas kumitibay ang
Dumating!
sinatrista ng kem-kem. Grabe kung
Kayo ni Alman.
mo, tapos na biglang may follow-up na flash. Baseline to baseline, walang atrasan. Pag sila ang taharap mo, kailangan may dasal ka na. Minsan, pero kahit malupit, may isang
Dito kayo. Bon, lalaro ka ha? Oh, ayun o. Bon, Jean, siya. Brooks and Chloe. Mga beginner naman yan. Parang pawisan to. Tuturuan ka naman niya.
Sabihin mo sa partner. Sabihin mo sa partner. Okay lang yun. Para makasanay ka.
Ah,
Ano ng balita? Long time back rin.
oo nga eh.
May mga pagkakataon, ang score 20 all sigawan sa bawat floor.
Ha?
Ay, gawin to.
Kaya nga eh. Yung badminton eh. Sino gumawa?
Yan, hindi yan.
Ibig sandali, ang hininga, shuttle sa ere, slow motion.
Laban.
Ay, gawin mo.
Kanina ko pa nga narinig.
Boom, sigawan,
Boom, tarat-tarat.
tuloy ang laban. At siyempre nandyan ang tandem, walang bupas ang chemistry. Jairi at Lyra, solid combo, parang destiny. Rock shot na may lambing, smash na may gigil. Pag sila ang kapartner, alam mong delikado ang kalaban. For may eye contact pa lang, alam na ang galaw. Walang salitaan, pero swak ang galaw. Sa likod, bumatake sila parang
Pakinggan niyo yung lyrics. Nandiyan kayo.
Daddy yun. Si Daddy yun ako magta.
Hindi, si Justin Bieber talaga kumanta. Ano sa drums oh?
Parang nasa beach na yan. Yung pagpelikulang luma. Nasa beach na pagpelikulang luma. Nasa mga video.
Don't baby.
Ito ang MTV nito, anime dapat eh.
Japanese.
May narration po. May narration po. Ah, pucha.
Coach Mike Ideal in the house. Tuwing Sabado, game ulit.
Galit na galit eh.
Yeah!
Yeah, totoo.
Are you ready, Rika? Parang galit eh.
Ano siya?
Concert ako.
Von, Jean, Brooks, Chloe. Chloe. Si Jean. Miss Jean.
Sir, ayan na si Chloe.
Sira mo yan ha?
Mabigat yan.
Dave. Drama lang, Brooks. Chloe, you with Brooks. You with Brooks.
989.
Angas. Pwede ba, Pot? Pwede.
Yan, kaya nagre-request si Art.
Sino?
Kalaban na kami ni Art.
Nani Art? Sige.
Hindi rin pa yun. So,
So, tama. Ayun, no? Copy, Joke, Art, and Spike.
ba maraming kasi. So minsan nauurong kasi. So binabalik nila yun.
Well, I lay in the foreign outside. Me and Dre when I open her up. Pedal back, see the flames go out. Every move got a room and a time. Top shelf house with a ice shake glass. DJ loud, let it low class. Blue nights on repeat. Fast life when you're living that fast. City lights on the corner, flash. Every room, shout, respect. No small talk, just motion. It's a lifestyle, not a moment. At the house, we don't slow down. Same sound. If it's late, I'm about it's night early. Time is gone.
Fat car, late night, big club, neon lights, top shelf, no shirt, whole room, more than that.
Slow go out when I hit up low. Every move making numbers explode. One step turn a viral wave. Same dance in 100 frames. I don't chase, I just post. I stay loud, gotta stay close. Screens loud when I move. Energy they can't refuse. Short clips to a million views. Same rhythm, different crews. If they watch, dance on. I just dance, let it change. Camera on, no delay. Every step, screen set. Stay tuned, can't look away. I just move, let it play. Tick tock, watch it move. One step in a whole room. Tick tock, spin it back, same move, hit it now, next now. Tick tock, no delay. Lights flash when I set the pace. I don't take. I just move, set the pace. Fast life when you're living that fast. City lights, in the corner, flat. Every room, show, respect. No small talk, just motion. It's a lifestyle, not a moment. At the hours we don't slow down. On the spot, same sound. If it's late, I'm involved. Night on loop, time is gone.
Fat car, late night, big club, neon lights, top shelf, no shirt, whole room, more than that.
Scroll go out when I hit up low. Every move make the numbers explode. One step turn a viral wave. Same dance in 100 frames.
Fat car, late night, big club, neon lights, same way, same friends, every night.
She blowin' bubblegum, pop it loud. Dancing on the floor, yeah, she proud. Club lights flash, we're lost in the crowd. Very nice, baby, we're feeling loud.
Drinks are hot, toast to the city. Parties on fire, looking so pretty. DJ spin, bass hit me. It's that city life, living a dream.
Step in the spot, she already gone. So skirt neon, lights so soft, glass so sweet. Money on the floor, every eye turn when I do it.
Let's go!
Top eyes, you can run through you. All the time, you should be little. Move so slow, but then I move fast. See the main event.
Take camping tayo. 28.
From the bar to
Camping.
the dance floor line. All the crew know she's one of a kind. Music loud, I'll be
Atid mo.
time.
Uwi ka na? Uwi ka na? Passion? Kailan?
Drinks are hot, toast to
Gusto ko mag-camping ng 28. May mainit ko. Hindi, malamig ko sa gabi. 28, kailan yun? Next week. Mataas na lang. Diretso na. Diba? Naghanap nga ako ng maganda. Gusto ko tabing dagat. Para pag-gising ng umaga. Yung mga bandang alas 7. Swimming. Diba? May kinakampingan kami sa Achman dati. Achman dagat. Tabing dagat. Achman dagat.
champagne for city eyes till the lights go out. That bubble, shit, that vibe. Paris nights we come alive. So bright, we don't hide.
ka dyan. Tahimik ka dyan. Sa CBB mo. Nagtatanong ko sa akin. Tinignan mo sa akin. Magkita. Hindi ko pa na-check. Kasi
Get the app today.
tatawag sa'yo, Egypt. Sila yung maganda yung kasi pag sila pumili sa'yo, walang magagawa yung head office nila. Ano nangyari sa mga based on my experience, sila yung kaya nga yung nila sa akin kasi hindi sila kumalik. So wala sila magagawa. Kasi sa qualification. Ano naman yun? Kumbaga walang conflict of interest. Shooting? Ah, wala. Lakas ah! Word! Number 2! Word! Joseph, Taddy, Aaron, Brooks! Ay, naglalaro pa. It's playing, still playing.